Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can swap the dog's coins on Tonkeeper with any other coins with your choice or as your choice. Go ahead and open the Tonkeeper app on your phone. If you don't have it, don't you worry because you can install it from the Play Store. Go ahead and create a wallet for yourself, and the next thing you want to do is click on swap. So after you click on swap, what you need to do is click on the dogs option. So go ahead and search for dogs. If you are receiving it, just go ahead and switch this to receives and keep dogs over here. So let's suppose you are swapping the Not coin or Tone coin with dogs. So what you need to do is first of all click on swap, then write down the amount over here. After you write down the amount, then you can see right under receive is select. Go ahead and click on select and search for dogs. So you can see there is dogs coins available here. So one Tone coin is equals to this much amount of dog coins. And if you click on this drop down menu, you can see the price impact, minimum received, route, blockchain fees and everything. So once you have sufficient balance or sufficient tones, you can just go ahead and swap dog coins on Tonkeeper. I hope this video about how you can swap the dog coins on Tonkeeper was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.